I've been craving cloverleaf white albacore tuna. So today I'm gonna make my spaghetti tuna puttanesca. Let's get cooking. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook my spaghetti in boiling salted water for about 9 minutes. Now we're gonna make our tuna puttanesca sauce. First thing you wanna do is get a generous amount of olive oil in the bottom of your pan. Then we're gonna add our sliced garlic and our anchovies. We wanna cook the garlic until slightly translucent, just until they're melted down. Next up, you're gonna add your capers, some of those delicious salty Kalamata olives, and a little bit of chili flake. The smell in here is amazing. Now we're gonna add our San Marzano tomatoes. Now you just wanna cook your sauce on a simmer and cook all your flavors until they get nicely associated with each other. Now I'm gonna add my cloverleaf all-natural white albacore tuna. This is so delicious. I love it. It's so mildly flavored. A perfect balance that pairs perfectly with this puttanesca pasta. Now that our sauce is done, it's time to add in our cooked pasta. Bring your sauce together by adding another generous amount of olive oil. Now we're gonna finish off this pasta with some delicious chopped chives, with a nice drizzle of good quality olive oil, and some fresh basil leaves straight from my garden. And there you have it, my spaghetti tuna puttanesca. Head to cloverleaf.ca for the recipe. Let's eat.